This is core control panel for pivot irrigation. Machine intelligent electric control. Cabinet, you can take a look. This power control cabinet supports 4G network. Communication with remote control with the built-in encoder of the polar video game device. Rotation can be captured in real-time angle. Information this allows for device. Partitioning variable irrigation. Depth control rainfall. Protection. There is also a downwind shutdown function at the same time. This electrician cabinet, it supports 3 language adaptations: Chinese, English and Russian fully. Meet the needs of different scenarios. At home and abroad, the need for intelligent irrigation. Control. This electrical cabinet integrates emergency shutdown, fault, alarm, overheating protection, and other safety protections. You can also access the agricultural machinery. Smart cloud platform, realize remote switch in the start of the pump speed. Regulation linked with the pump. Operation direction. Control irrigation plan management. And irrigation amount calculation. It can also be matched with a mobile phone and the operating system on the computer. Support secondary development connect with the Internet of Things system.